is a clear indication that whoever recruited or influenced the recruitment of clerks will determine who wins this election. Finally, we have also seen a video of a senior member of UDA in Meru openly endorsing my opponent, which may not be a problem to me. But then, if that opponent is strong enough, what do they endorse? Do they need the endorsement? So with these concerns, my campaign team have this message to the organizers of tomorrow's election. Number one, we're disappointed by the lack of adequate information of the process and the management of these primary elections. The stage has been clearly set to shortchange the will of the people through the influence peddled of who became clerks to manage the elections. Number three, the deliberate effort by some leaders of UDA to malign, sideline, blackmail, and hold information from us will not build our party. Instead, it will split us in Meru. It will split us in Meru. We have walked the journey in UDA because we believed in the promise of a free and fair primary election process. That promise, in the current circumstance, cannot be kept. I want to place this pledge to the people of Meru. We started this journey together, and we shall finish it together. And number one, I want to promise that and declare to our supporters that come August, I, Edith, will be on the ballot. Yeah. Number two, Team Edith Mwirigi is pulling out of this primary election with immediate effect. We shall not dignify a flawed process with our participation. The people of Meru are dignified people, and we will not subject them to a rigged process with predetermined outcomes decided and defined by a few people. Our team believes in a better Meru. We therefore conclude by saying, we are going to bounce back bigger and better, and we shall be announcing our next course of action in the next 48 hours. Thank you all.